Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Art of Trading. I'm Kumar here. So we'll check the Nifty key level for tomorrow, 24th September, Thursday. So before that, we'll check the Nifty performance as per my video which I had uploaded yesterday. So this is the screenshot of that video. And I had given two levels, that is one buy and one sell. That was buy above 11,230, target up to 11,300 and 11,330. Okay, and the sell below 11,115, target 11,050 and 11,000 up to 11,000. Okay, so we'll check with the live chat what happened today in Nifty. So as you can see here, Nifty opened today around 11,237. So my buy was above 11,000. 230 only. Okay, so 7 points above my level. Nifty uh, open today. So what was the I made was 11,245. Just okay, as you can see here, this is where one has to. I was in my previous videos and all in my videos. I'm keep on repeating that. I'll give you a level that is 11,230 above 11,230 above buy. So I tell in my videos that don't just blindly buy above 11,250. Okay, this is what happened today. So it made just 8 points high. That's it. So as you can see here, Nifty made just 8 points high and it reversed from there. I told you this. So this is where price action strategy comes into play. So one who has experience and one knows about the price action or the fundamentals or the technicals or about the candlestick patterns will come to know whether it is really break this thing near Nifty is breaking on the upper side or the lower side. Okay, as you can see here, Nifty, one second, as you can see here, Nifty went up, made just 7 points high. Okay, and again it came down. Okay, so again it went up, it made some price action reversible patterns here. One second, I will pull this one down. One second, see, as you can see here, it made some reversible candlestick patterns here. Okay, so this is where one who has experience can predict, not 100% but can predict 80% whether on which direction the market will reverse. Okay, so this is where one smart traders get in and they try to fake it out. Okay, so this is where in the morning candle, Nifty opened and made a high, and after that it came down. Sellers were into play, they thought it is going to be sell, they sold, and when again Nifty started reversing, many sellers, the stops were hunted, and again Nifty came back and fell. Okay, so this is where one has to be very cautious at these levels, especially when I give levels. One should be knowing whether on which side Nifty may reverse. Okay, I just give you the level. I say that these are the levels from where a stock or a Nifty might break, but keep in the mind, I keep on telling in my videos also that please look for some price action confirmation, some candlestick reversible, very strong reversible candlestick pattern, so that you don't end up in a wrong side. Okay, this is what happened. As you can see, on the buy side it didn't go. So on the sell side, what happened, we'll go and check. See, on the sell side, exactly on this level 11,000, 11,000 at this level 11,115 I gave sell, and my target was 11,000. The final target was 11,000. My first target was 11,050, and the low made was Nifty made a low of 11,028. So it almost hit my first target, and further it made another 20 points low. So this is how one has to see, and this at this level also one has to see whether on which way market is reversing. When I say sell below 11,000 of 150, it's nothing. It's not that you just go and sell off at 11,000, because see again here, as you can see here, Nifty fell here, this candle. Again, the next candle went inside the channel. as if it is going on the buy side, but again it came back down. So one should have some confirmation whether on which side the Nifty or the stocks are going. So you have to look out for some patterns over there, confirmation over there. This comes only when you learn price action strategies. Okay, when you learn fundamentals about candlestick patterns, volume, all such things. Okay, so I keep on stressing. So without learning, one should not enter the market, or else 101% you will end up blowing this account. That is for sure. Okay, so this is what was Nifty. So on the sell side, we made some good profits. So let's check out for tomorrow. As you can see, this is the levels for tomorrow which I have given. So tomorrow also there are two levels, that is for one buy, clearly one buy and one sell, as I gave yesterday. So tomorrow also it's buy above 11,230 and for the target of up to 11,330, and sell below again at below 11,115 for the target of 11,000, the final target for 11,000. Okay, so watch out, as today I showed you at the key points, key breaking levels. You look out for some strong confirmations, whether it is candlestick patterns or price actions or the volume. You have to look for all this confirmation and then only you have to enter. Okay, so okay, that's it guys. So to learn my price action strategy, you can join my paid classes which I conduct every weekends. For more details, you can WhatsApp or contact me regarding that. And who friends want to join and see my calls, my accuracies, and the screenshot of my calls, you can join my free Telegram channel with the description. In the description I've given the link, and for more such videos you can subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, thank you guys, catch you tomorrow with one more Nifty key level video. Okay, bye.